Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine? Had your milk, breakfast, everything? Yes, I hope you are working on your activity which I had given you in our previous lecture. And the activity was, what was the activity? To eat the vegetables, to give the taste, to give the importance, the day on which you are eating the vegetable, and how did you like the vegetable, right? And in this lecture today we are going to write down the word meanings. You will continue after the dictation words, right? So be ready with your classwork copies and we will do the word meanings. Okay, let's start. Shall we start? All ready? Okay. So, class 3. You don't have to write down class 3. That is, I am writing for you. But you have to write down word meaning in the center. You will write down word meaning in the center. What is another name for word meaning? Yes, we also call it as glossary. When you will grow up, you will call it glossary, right? So, glossary and word meaning are one and the same. Okay? So, let's begin with the first word. What is the first word? Outskirts, right? Out, O-U-T, out, S-K-I-R-T-S, outskirts. Now, what do you mean by outskirts? Outer part of a town or a city, right? So, write down O-U-T-E-R, outer part of a town or a city, right? Yes? Repeat after me. Outskirts. Outskirts. Outskirts means outer part of a town or a city, right? Yes, come on. Outskirts. What do you mean by outskirts? Outskirts means outer part of the city or the town, right? Let's move on to the next word. The next word is chemicals. What is the next word? C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L-S, chemicals. What is the next word? Chemicals. Chemicals means medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine used to protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect plants. Medicines used to protect plants, right? So, what is chemicals? Chemicals, medicines used to protect plants. पेड़ों की सुरक्षा करने के लिए जो दवा हम यूज करते हैं, that is called chemicals, right? So, yes, come on, repeat after me. Chemicals. What are chemicals? Medicines used to protect plants, right? Okay. So, what is the first word? Outskirts. Outskirts means outer part of a town or a city, right? Yes, I am giving you some time to write down. Hope you are done with your work, right? The next word is root vegetables. What is the next word? The next word is number 3. Root vegetables. Now what do you mean by root vegetables? The vegetables which grow under the ground. Or you can say vegetables like carrots, whose roots can be eaten. This means root vegetable means vegetables like carrots whose roots can be eaten. That means root vegetables also mean that the vegetables which grow under the ground and the roots you can eat, right? The next word. Traditional. The next word is traditional. 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 Right? You wear traditional dresses on your festivals? Yes? Can you name some traditional dresses? Yes, kurta pajama, lehenga, right? So some people wear kurta pajama during Diwali time. You wear your traditional dresses. Traditional dresses means the dresses which have been used for a long time. जो आपकी दादी और परदादी के ज़माने में जो कपड़े पहने जाते थे, that is known as traditional. उस tradition से चला आ रहा है और आज तक वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं हुए. Right? So traditional means been in use for a long time. Right? The next word is immunity. Nowadays everybody is taking good vegetables, eating proper food, taking proper diet to boost up your immunity. Some are taking drinks also. कुछ काढ़ा भी पी रहे हैं ताकि आपकी immunity boost हो and you cannot get affected to the virus easily, right? So that means immunity. आपका power, okay? So the fifth word is immunity. I-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Immunity. What do you mean by immunity? Strength, takat, right? The power to protect. The power to protect against disease. Right? So what do you mean by immunity? Immunity means the power to protect against disease. Okay? So what is written on the board? Everybody will repeat after me whatever is written on the board right from the word number 3. Root vegetables. Vegetables like carrot whose roots can be eaten. वो vegetables जिसकी जड़ हम खा सकते हैं. जड़ किसकी खा सकते हैं? Carrots है, radish है, then beetroot है. So these are some vegetables whose roots can be eaten and they are very nutritious. Carrots are very good for your eyes, so you must eat lot of carrots. Yes, tell me one animal whose favorite food is carrot. Yes, name one animal whose favorite food is carrot. Think about it. Are you getting it? No. Some are getting it. Yes. Some are not getting it. Okay, I will give you one clue. It is white in color, very soft, very lovely. You like to see it. Now think about it. Yes, I am getting the answer from some children. Yes. What is the answer? Rabbit. Correct. So rabbit loves carrots. Right. The next word is traditional. Traditional means been in use for a long time. You remember the word traditional? During the Garba program, Principal Sir announces you come in your traditional dress. Traditional dress means the dress which is worn for the Garba program, right? So what do the girls wear? The girls wear the lehenga and the choli, right? And the boys wear like kurta pajama or that Garba dress. That is known as a traditional dress. The next word is immunity. Immunity means the power, the strength to fight against a disease. And from where do you get that power? You get the power from eating vegetables, drinking milk, right? So, the power to protect against diseases, right? The next word is intently. Next is intently. Intently. Now what do you mean by intently? Right? Close and sincere attention. Close and sincere, S-I-N-C-E-R-E, sincere attention, A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Now, intently means close and sincere attention. Now, when Principal Sir might be announcing that you are going to go for a picnic, at that time what will you do? He is giving you information on going for a picnic. That time you will listen intently. I have to go for a picnic. What is Sir saying? Where we will go? What time are we going to depart? How we are going to go? Either we are going by bus or we are going by train. What time we have to come to school? So that is the sincere attention. ध्यान से सुनना. Intently, close and sincere attention. जो आपको सुनना अच्छा लगता है उसको आप ध्यान से सुनते हो. That is known as intently, right? Okay. So write down. I'm waiting for you. Giving you some time to write down. Yes. Okay. Okay, have you written down? Shall I move further to the next word? Yes? Okay. So the next word is that is number 7. Compost. The C is small, children. I am writing big so that it may be really visible to you, clearly visible to you. Okay. So compost pit. P-I-T. Pit. Remember to write the P in the blue line, not in the red and blue line. Okay. Compost pit. What is a compost pit? It is an area in the ground. An area in the ground where What is compost pit? An area in the ground. जमीन के अंदर का एक एरिया, एक गड्ढा, right? जहां पर we put rotten leaves, जो पत्तियां खराब हो जाती हैं, जो ऊपर से झड़ जाती हैं, उनको हम डालते हैं. वेजिटेबल्स के छिलके, peels of vegetables, right? So peels of vegetables and food waste to improve their quality. Right. So this is a little big meaning, and we have to pay attention and repeat after me. It will become very easy. Within a few minutes, you will learn the word meaning, right? So what is a compost pit? It is an area. Yes, come on, repeat after me. An area. कहाँ पर? In the ground, right? So what is a compost pit? It is an area in the ground. Where? जहाँ पर we put. What do we put? Yes, rotten leaves. सड़ी हुई पत्तियां, टूटी हुई पत्तियां जो पेड़ में से गिर जाती हैं. Then peels of vegetables के छिलके जो हमारे घर में बच जाते हैं. मम्मी मेथी की भाजी सुधारती है, मटर सुधारती है, सारे वेजिटेबल्स, आलू सुधारती, प्याज सुधारती, भुट्टे का कचरा इतना सारा निकलता है, वो सब उस डंप में डाल दिया जाता है. पील्स यानी छिलके, पील्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स एंड फूड वेस्ट, जो कभी खाना भी हमारा बच जाता है जिसे हमें फेंकना पड़ता है, वो भी हम उसमें डालते हैं टू इम्प्रूव देयर क्वालिटी. अब जब उसकी क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? मैन्योर बन जाएगा, खाद बन जाएगा. उसे वापस हम पेड़ों को दे देंगे. सो दिस इज अ कंपोस्ट पिट which is very easy to learn when paid attention. Okay, so just last time repeat after me. An area in the ground where we put rotten leaves, peels of vegetables and food waste to improve their quality. उनकी क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, और फिर वो क्या बन जाता है? वो खाद बन जाता है जो हम पेड़ों को वापस देते हैं. तो जो हमको पेड़ों से मिलता है वही हम पेड़ों को वापस दे देते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज recycle and reuse. That is why some waste is there which can be recycled and reused, and that is here. This is how we can recycle the waste, right? And the last word is composted. What is the last word? Composted. कंपोस्ट पिट में जो हम कचरा डालते हैं वो कंपोस्ट हो जाता है, right? So the last word over here is composted. Composted. Now what do you mean by composted? Yes, turned into compost. T-U-R-N-E-D. Turned into compost. Compost जो खाद बन जाता है, वापस से मिट्टी बन जाती है, that is known as compost. So yes, composted turned into compost. Very simple, right? And one more word I remember, which is not in your book but you came across, little difficult for you, that is screened, right? So shall we write it down? Yes? Okay. S-C-R-E shouted. चिल्लाना. shouted. Shouted. Right? And here we end up with our word meanings. Right? So what is a compost pit? An area in the ground where we put rotten leaves, peels of vegetables and food waste to improve their quality. Right? Composted, turned into compost. Screamed means shouted. Okay? I hope these word meanings are very clear to you. After the word meanings, we come to the exercise on page number 31. We come to the exercise on page number 31. That is, the first question is, write down true or false. Right? So, hope you have completed. All those who have completed can write down the question 1. That is true and false. When the thing is right, we call it true. When it is wrong, we call it false. Galat, sahi ya galat. Right? The first sentence. Yes, all those who have finished can read from the reader book. Grandma's house is in the outskirts. क्या ग्रैंडमा का घर शहर से बाहर है? Right. Okay. So, grandma's house is in the outskirts. The answer is true. Okay? Grandma's house is in the outskirts. True. Hope you have written down. The next true false, number 2. Yes, Pari's grandma. Pari grandma loves to buy vegetables from the market. Yes, Pari's grandma loves to buy vegetables from the market. Is it right? No, false. So the answer is false. Next. Bitter gourd is sweet to taste. क्या करेले का स्वाद मीठा है? False. Very good. So, bitter gourd is sweet to taste. Bitter gourd is sweet to taste. False. बहुत कड़वा होता है, bitter होता है, right? Okay. The next, Pari likes good food because it is tasty. Pari likes good food. Sorry, see, I have committed a mistake. I have written the G capital where good is not a proper noun. So I have to erase it and write the correct G, which will be the small g. Pari likes good food. Why she likes the good food? Because it is tasty. Because it is tasty. True. Right. Next. Pari too wants to grow a vegetable garden at home. Pari too wants to grow a vegetable garden at home. True. So here we come to an end of our first question, that is true false, right? Okay. So I wind up my lecture over here, and we'll be doing our question answers in the next period. By the way, I am giving you some time to complete your work, right? I am here only. If you have any problem, you can consult me on my number. My number is already there with you on the WhatsApp group. If you have any problem, you have a direct talk with me, okay? Complete your work by the time I am waiting for you.